Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jeannie Magic Hair, bringing you guys another hair tutorial starring my friend. And today we'll be installing her 13x4 lace frontal wig that she made. And yeah, stay tuned in this video. She already came with her hair braided, so what I'm doing now is just applying some of the Got2b glue onto her edges so that there won't be any loose or fraying hair. So we're going to be using this nude wig cap and apply it over her braids. One thing I regret not doing is putting any foundation on it or her concealer shade. I really thought this would have been her shade, but nonetheless, keep watching. Okay, so now what we're doing, we're cutting out her ear tabs so that the Got2b glue spray can stick, like her ear part can be sticked down properly. And yeah. Now I'm gonna take the Got2b glue spray, hairspray, and spray it. I'm not spraying it directly onto her edges or directly onto her hairline. I'm doing it a little bit, like 1 inch in front of it. Like, I can't really explain it, but as you can see, it's not on her hairline. Now what I'll be doing is taking this blow dryer, medium to hot setting, the middle one, and just letting the air blow onto where I applied the Got2b glue spray. Now I'm gonna go in with my scissors, starting by cutting in the middle of this wig cap, and then I'm gonna be cutting from side to side, making sure that all this extra wig cap thing is out of the way. After I cut the extra wig cap off, I'm going to be clipping off the free ends of it so that it can get more of a ball cap look. After cutting off the free ends of the wig cap, now I'm gonna be applying Got2b glue gel around the edges of it. So this here is the wig that she made. She wore it before. I'm just reinstalling it. It's a 24 or 22-inch wig. I'm not sure. Now what I'm going to be doing is applying the second layer of the Got2b glue gel, just so that the wig could be secured, you know. Yeah. After applying the second layer, we're gonna dry it at least 50 or 75% dry before we apply the lace. So I went ahead and applied the lace onto the glue, and the dryer is on medium to hot settings. And I'm just making sure that the lace is well melted with the glue so that it doesn't rise. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off the baby hairs sections, or take out at least not 1 inch but half an inch of hair away from the other section, and leave it out to clip as baby hairs. So what I'm using now is some hair mousse to get the stray pieces of hair out of the way, and then I'll be putting a band between the hair and the edges so that it can lay even better. So I allowed it to sit on there for about 5 or 10 minutes with the blow dryer on it. And this is how it looks when you remove it. Sorry y'all, I ain't the best at doing edges, but I did a little something something so it can look decent or look like sense. So bear with me, don't laugh. Thank you. So she wanted me to cut this wig into a bob, so I went ahead and parted in the middle so that everything could be even. And yeah, she said to cut it shoulder length, and I wet the hair. And she telling me just blunt, straight across. So for each section, you want to make sure that the hair is wet and ensure that you're grabbing some of the guideline out of the other section so that you know how much to cut. what I'm doing here is just taking piece from each side of the head and just measuring it to make sure that the hair is the same length. She wanted the hair to be a side part, so I went ahead and did her side part, and now I'm just molding the side part so that it can stay. After I'm done with molding the part, what I'm going to do now is take some hairspray and spray it over her hair, just to add that little finishing touch, you know. After I'm done with the spray, I'm going to go over it using the blow dryer on a low setting, and to make sure that everything is well put together. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial, and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to know when I post more videos about hair or makeup. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.